Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get Google form responses in Word. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the main page where in the upper right corner we can get started signing up for an account if you do not already have one, and if you already have an account, just go log into your Google account normally. So once you have done so, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page where we can get started. So from here we can get started creating a new form. If you do not already have one, you can take a look at your recent forms right here that you have already created and so on. And now let's go and take a look at how we can go and input our responses and our Google Forms into Word. Basically, if you do not already have a form, you can create it from right here by clicking the plus button. It's going to open up this form right here, from which you can go ahead and give it a name, you can give it a description, input your questions and so on. I have already created my form right here, and I can go ahead and open it up by clicking on it right here. This is going to open up my tutorial form, as you can see, for a video where I have a question with some answers and so on. And what I want to do now is manage my responses. So basically guys, if you want to go ahead and take your responses into Word, we can go and manage our responses from the responses tab right here at the top of the screen. By opening up the responses tab, here we can take a look at all the responses that have been sent to our form. Currently I have 0 responses, so if you have gotten any responses, they're going to go and be appearing right here directly. So once you have gotten your responses, now we can get started. Basically, we can go and send these responses, we can go ahead and download all the responses we want, we can print them, we can do whatever we want, we can even link them to our spreadsheets in Excel. So by linking them to Excel, we can then go ahead and use a converter from our Excel file to Word, because Google Forms does not directly enable us to save it as a Word file. So by using Google Forms guys, you can go ahead and save it to your Excel, from which you can go ahead and take it to your Word file and so on by inputting it into a converter and so on, because that's the only way you can do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.